Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge two videos into one. So to do that, you are going to grab two clips like so. For instance, I want to merge these clips into one single clip. Super simple. You're just going to select your mouse here and select the cursor, and you're going to select both of them, or just press Control A, but it will, select everything. Right click, create compound clip, or you can press Alt G on your keyboard like so, and it will be one single clip. And that's how you can merge two videos on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!